Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming every sector, and the automotive industry is no exception. By 2025, AI will play an even more significant role in vehicle design, manufacturing, driving experiences, and even customer interaction. From self-driving cars to advanced safety systems, AI is shaping the future of how we drive and interact with vehicles. In this video, we'll explore how AI is changing the automotive industry, from intelligent vehicles to AI-powered manufacturing processes, and what we can expect in 2025. One of the most revolutionary changes AI is bringing to the automotive world is the development of autonomous vehicles. These cars use AI algorithms, machine learning, and sensors to navigate and make decisions without human intervention. By 2025, we can expect improved safety. AI-driven vehicles will eliminate most human errors, drastically reducing the number of traffic accidents. Increased efficiency. AI will optimize routes and driving behavior to save time, reduce fuel consumption, and decrease emissions. Better comfort. With full autonomy, passengers will have the ability to relax, sleep, or work during their commute, making travel much more productive and enjoyable. Self-driving cars will become more efficient and accessible by 2025, providing safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and freedom for drivers. AI is also revolutionizing vehicle design. Through advanced simulation, AI can assist designers in creating aerodynamic shapes, lightweight structures, and more efficient powertrains. Key features will include generative design. AI can create designs that humans might not have considered, offering innovative solutions for weight reduction and strengthening vehicle components. Customizable interiors. AI will allow for more personalized vehicle features such as adaptive seating, dynamic climate control, and AI-based infotainment systems. Futuristic exteriors. By using AI, automakers can design more aerodynamic and sleek exteriors that improve fuel efficiency and performance. In 2025, AI will be at the forefront of designing smarter, safer, and more efficient vehicles, changing both how they look and how they perform. AI is not only transforming how cars are driven, but also how they are built. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation will improve production speed. Robots powered by AI will be able to assemble vehicles faster and more accurately than humans. Quality control. AI algorithms will inspect each vehicle with high precision, ensuring no defects are overlooked and higher quality standards are met. Supply chain optimization. AI will predict demand, manage inventory, and streamline the logistics, making the production process more efficient and cost-effective. AI will enhance the automotive manufacturing process, making it faster, more accurate, and more cost-efficient, helping automakers produce high-quality vehicles at a lower cost. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADS, are already helping drivers with features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. By 2025, AI will make these systems smarter. AI will enable ADAS systems to learn from the environment, adapting to road conditions and traffic patterns in real time. More intuitive. Through machine learning, these systems will understand a driver's habits and provide better recommendations and assistance. Fully integrated, AI will allow for seamless integration of all driver assistance features, making driving more safe, efficient, and intuitive. In the next few years, AI will make driver assistance systems even more reliable, increasing the level of autonomy and safety in everyday vehicles. As electric vehicles, EVs, continue to rise in popularity, AI will play a crucial role in maximizing their potential. Battery optimization. AI will manage battery charging and discharging more efficiently, improving the lifespan and range of EV batteries. Energy efficiency. AI will manage power distribution, optimizing when and where to use energy for the most efficient driving experience. Autonomous charging stations. As EVs become more autonomous, AI will power self-driving charging stations, ensuring vehicles charge themselves when needed. AI will help optimize energy consumption, extend the life of electric vehicle batteries, and improve the charging infrastructure, supporting the transition to an electric future. AI will also change the way cars are maintained and diagnosed. Through AI-powered systems, vehicles will be able to predict maintenance needs. AI will monitor the condition of critical components, alerting drivers when parts need to be replaced or repaired. Diagnostic tools. AI will help mechanics with advanced diagnostic systems, enabling them to identify issues more quickly and accurately. Remote diagnostics. AI-powered systems will enable remote troubleshooting, meaning technicians can assist drivers without the need for an in-person visit. AI will significantly reduce the time and cost associated with vehicle maintenance by providing proactive diagnostics and predictive maintenance, keeping cars running at their best. As autonomous vehicles, AVs, take over the roads, AI will play a vital role in ensuring they are safe for passengers and pedestrians alike. AI will increase decision-making speed. Autonomous vehicles will use AI to make decisions instantly, such as when to brake, turn, or accelerate based on their surroundings. Improve pedestrian safety. AI will detect pedestrians, cyclists, and other obstacles, allowing vehicles to adjust speed or reroute to avoid accidents. Enhance vehicle-to-vehicle communication. AVs will communicate with each other to reduce accidents and optimize traffic flow, making roads safer for everyone. AI will revolutionize the safety features of autonomous vehicles, ensuring that they can safely navigate all environments while protecting those inside and around the vehicle. As AI continues to shape the automotive industry, there will be important ethical concerns to address. Data privacy. With AI systems collecting vast amounts of data on drivers and passengers, there will be concerns about how this information is used and protected. AI bias. There is a risk that AI algorithms could make biased decisions based on the data they are trained on, leading to safety concerns and unfair outcomes. Job displacement. As AI-powered automation takes over tasks traditionally performed by humans, there will be questions about job displacement and how the industry can support workers in transitioning to new roles. As AI advances, the automotive industry must work closely with governments and ethicists to ensure that the technology benefits everyone fairly and responsibly. Looking ahead to 2025, the automotive industry will see continued growth and innovation driven by AI. From fully autonomous vehicles to smarter manufacturing processes, the potential for AI is limitless. By 2025, AI will have a profound impact on personalization. Vehicles will adapt to individual drivers, offering customized experiences based on preferences and habits. Enhanced connectivity. AI will power smarter vehicle-to-vehicle communication, smart city infrastructure, and enhanced infotainment systems. Faster adoption of EVs. AI will make electric vehicles more affordable, efficient, and accessible to the general public, accelerating the transition to a sustainable future. Title: Hash. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability continue to grow, the automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation. One of the most exciting innovations in this transformation is the rise of. These vehicles combine with offering the best of both worlds, and by 2025, hybrid cars will evolve to meet the demands of a more, becoming even more, and. In this video, we'll explore how hybrid cars are evolving, their benefits, and why they are an essential part of the A is a vehicle that uses to move the car. The most common hybrid configuration is a combination of and powered by A. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine, helping to reduce and. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine but cannot drive the vehicle on its own. Hybrid cars combine, offering a balance between and making them a practical choice for the modern consumer. Hybrids consume less fuel because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, especially during and. Since hybrids use alongside gasoline, they reduce the amount of fuel needed for driving, contributing to a more. The hybrid car market has been steadily growing, and by 2025, it is expected to see even. With the demand for increasing and government regulations tightening on emissions, hybrid cars are becoming a mainstream option for consumers. Key trends in the hybrid car market for 2025 include, as technology improves and production volumes increase, the cost of hybrid vehicles will continue to decrease, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. By 2025, hybrid cars will become and for those looking to drive sustainably without sacrificing performance. Hybrid cars release than traditional vehicles because the electric motor handles part of the driving load, reducing the reliance on gasoline. Hybrids recover energy during braking, storing it in the battery to power the electric motor, further enhancing. As hybrid technology advances, we can expect several exciting developments in 2025. Future hybrids will come with, which will optimize when the electric motor and gasoline engine should be used for. There will be even more, and thanks to continuous advancements in, and by emitting fewer greenhouse gases and using less fuel, hybrids contribute significantly too. Hybrid technology provides a balance between traditional and allowing for to a more transportation system. By 2025, hybrid cars will become an essential part of. Hybrid cars will integrate with, communicating with traffic lights, road sensors, and charging stations to improve and reduce. The evolution of hybrid cars will make them an integral part of by providing solutions. Although prices are coming down, hybrids still tend to have a higher compared to traditional vehicles, particularly. The availability of charging stations for plug-in hybrids is still limited, though it is improving. In conclusion, hybrid cars are poised to play in the future of. By 2025, we can expect that will offer, and for consumers. As the demand for grows, hybrid vehicles will be an essential solution for those looking to make a difference without sacrificing performance or convenience. HL tried in TTB, BM Kyo, KR Slalash and electric trucks the future of. As AI continues to evolve, the automotive industry will become safer, smarter, and more efficient, bringing us closer to the future of transportation.